Natural behaviors. Goats can express their natural behaviors such as grazing, roaming, and socializing, which leads to better overall welfare and reduces stress. Number 2, we have good health benefits. Free-range system often results into a healthier animal as they have more space to move, reducing the risk of diseases that spread in confined conditions. Access to a variety of natural forage can also improve their diet and nutrition intake. It's better to move your cow goats from one place to another because they will be able to eat different food. Hi my guys, welcome back to the channel. Kindly, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. Today we are going to be looking on how this free range system is based on a farmer who is practicing free range system on goat farming, and this is a very simple method where farmers leave goats and go, and they will be able to access the food which they need to consume for as long as they are in a gazetted place. And this will need a small space for you to carry it out, guys, and it is a very nice method for a farmer who is doing goat farming, especially for those who have enough land. Even if when you have the small land you can practice it, but it is better for you to have a small land where those goats can feed from. So let's start with number 1. There is no cost of feeding. When you use this method of free range system in goat farming, you find that you cannot buy food. Goats themselves will be able to look for food because they eat varieties of herbs in the given area. Cost efficiency. Free range farming can reduce feed costs as goats can graze on natural vegetation. It also minimizes the need of expensive housing infrastructure. With free range system, there is no need of building those houses where they can live, but you just leave them to eat in a given land. So goat disease control. Using free range system, it is easy for you to control the disease in your farm because you are not confining these goats in the given area in one place like someone who is using a zero grazing system, because when these goats they are compacted in one place, that there will be easy spread of diseases. But when it comes to free range system, you find that the goats are far away from each other when it comes to consuming the food where they are. We also have product quality. Goats in a free range system, they will be able to produce milk, meat, and other products, and this will help you to get more customers, especially those ones who need the raised goats using the local method of free range system, and this will bring you more money in your pocket because some customers need natural things. They need the goats which have been raised using this method. We also have environmental sustainability. Through practicing this method, goats will help the environment to overcome the brush and the bush, and also the weeds, which can be more effective to some people. It does not require a farmer to keep monitoring these goats, because once he or she go and place them in a given area where they are going to graze from, You just leave them there and they will have to control themselves by eating those grasses which are there, and the farmer will be able to go and work other things which are there. The farmer will be able to do other things. It also chases out the stress. Goats cannot be stressed when they go in free range system. When you use this free range system as a farmer, the goat will not be stressed because they will be contacting with each other in a gazetted area than the goats which are in zero grazing system or paddocking system. So goats, they'll be stress free. Considering these benefits, farmers can create a more human, efficient and sustainable goat farming operation in the farm, and this will help a farmer to gain more. So for the above all which I have mentioned, I've been saying that it requires a small space for you to carry out the activity, but it depends on the number of goats you have. You cannot have over 100 goats or maybe 350 goats and you say that you place them in 1 acre of land. No, you cannot have like 700 goats and you place them in a plot measuring 100 by 50. No, I recommend you to always maximize your land. Make sure that if you have like 50 goats, make sure that the place where you are placing them, it can accommodate that capacity of 50 goats where you want them to go and start grazing. Try to make sure that these goats that are in a well gazetted area. It can be small space because for them they don't eat a big space. They will not feed on big space each goat, but make sure that you have a better capacity where you can feed your goats. Kindly members, if you have enjoyed the video, like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And for that matter, guys, I salute you. Have a perfect day. I wish you the best in whatever you're doing.